I've achieved a lot. I've gotten my confidence back. I've gained my self-esteem again. My pride is back. I've lost the fear. I used to be afraid to climb up and down ladders and do my job because I didn't have the agility, and I've gained all that. I've lost 25 kilos and I've gained confidence. I'm walking around a lot more confident and a lot happier. And I've gained my smile. I'm happier than I was, yeah.
Follow me, I'll show you what's next. Cause you ain't doing nothing unless you...
My name is Alex Chrisafis. I came to feel like I'm in control of my health. I let it go for so long and I wanted to get on track with my health again.
Turn up the beat and blow out the fuse. We too wild for somebody to snooze. Me or you, look who they gon' choose.
It's life-changing. I recommend it because it's life-changing. We all get into a rut, every one of us, and then we let our life dictate our health and our self-esteem. But come here, take control, and you'll feel better. And that's why I recommend it. Come back, you get control of your health.